Guys, today we see how to dismantle HTC mobile. What is the processor, what is are made in HTC mobile. Let's go to the video. Yeah guys, I'm already open this. You can open this easily because it's not rough. It's the HTC model. It's have given the structure of model is beautiful and it will work hard. These phones come long time. How to dismantle this phone in this video. First remove motherboard nuts. It has been the varieties of nuts. You can remove one by one only. Remove all the strips. Because the strip cuts means it's spend a lot of money to remove those strips and open the nut. See it is a motherboard of this. It is a motherboard of its. Remove smoothly motherboard because the motherboard cost is it's the HTC mobile. Take this small object and keep it in this. Is having varieties of nets. You watch simply because it's more tough to remove this motherboard. Yeah, remove these strips. And other side strips. remove this cover and all. Remove smoothly motherboard. Yeah, it has been came. It's HTC motherboard. It's HTC motherboard. It is the battery of HTC. It's the battery of HTC. The HTC mother. Today you learn how to remove, how to dismantle HTC mobile motherboard. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.